Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited because what's behind me is so beautiful. It just reminds me of Winter Wonderland. And on today's video, I get to show you guys how I decorated my Christmas tree, where I got everything from, and kind of just like the little process of me decorating it. I spent a lot of time, a lot of energy planning this because I wanted it to be something beautiful, whimsical, and just look like Winter Wonderland. This is our first official Christmas tree, my first Christmas tree as an adult, not living under my parents' roof. Last year we had this Christmas tree up, but it was super last minute. I think like a week before Christmas, Elvis was like, you know what, we're gonna get a Christmas tree. He went out, bought the tree on his own, bought decorations on his own. So this year I wanted to take that Christmas tree and really give ourselves a beautiful Christmas tree to remember and kind of look back on and to start our little tradition. If you want to keep watching and you want to know how I decorated my Christmas tree, please keep on watching. And as always, before we get started, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you hit that bell notification so you are notified each time I upload. Let's do this. The first thing I did was I just grabbed an old bed cover to just put it on the floor so I could start building my Christmas tree right on top of it. So I took my time separating the branches, making sure I was giving the Christmas tree a very full look because it is on the smaller side of the Christmas trees and very slim. I wanted to make sure that I was separating the branches so that there were no gaps. So once it was all separated and built, I went in with something really cool that I found at Hobby Lobby from the brand Snowblower. So this is why I had the old sheet on the floor to start spraying the tree. I gave it a very light mist. I didn't want the look of a white Christmas tree. I just wanted it to be a little flocked and super wintry. So this Christmas tree skirt I found on Amazon for $12, super cheap and affordable, and then I just took one of my makeup backdrops that I use in my videos and layered it on my skirt. Just going around, leaving like an inch and a half of the white peeking through. And then I'm just stringing on some lights. I ended up using 2 packs of string lights. Next up, I went in with my biggest decorations first. These flowers I found at Michael's, and they were having a 60% off when I grabbed them. So I start with my bigger decorations because that way I can see where my tree has the biggest gaps, and then I just start filling those gaps in with this beautiful white sparkly flower. Then I go in with this beautiful dusty blue, kind of silvery hydrangea. I got them at Michael's as well. I have 4 of them, and then I start filling in those sparse gap areas in my Christmas tree. Decorating my Christmas tree one decoration at a time really helped me see my entire tree and making sure that my decorations were spread out in a nice way and that they weren't overcrowded or placed awkwardly. Next, I did the same thing with these branches that I found at Target for $3, and I wanted to start bringing in some gold into my Christmas tree because I really wanted that mix of silver and gold. So I got these pretty branches with crystals on them from Pier 1. They were on sale. They had a 20% off, so I ended up grabbing, I believe, 7 of them. So these birds are probably my favorite thing on my Christmas tree. They are just so cute and sparkly, and they have a little clip, so they kind of just clip right on the branches. I got 7 of them, and these birds are from Pier 1 as well. So Hobby Lobby was having a sale, and I went in just to check it out. I ended up getting these really big white ornaments. They look like snowballs on the Christmas tree, but I actually really like them. I found these pretty icicle crystals off of Amazon, and they came in a pack of 24, which made me super happy because I had enough, more than enough actually, to cover my entire Christmas tree and really give it a nice winter wonderland look. These next two ornaments I got off of Michael's when they were having their 60% off on Christmas decor. They're glass ornaments and they were at $4.99 a pack, and I think a pack actually brought 6. They were really pretty, the baby pink and this white pearl looking ornament that almost has a touch of silver, which is great to tie into my Christmas tree. So I decided to throw in some gold ornaments that we had from last year. They're just sparkly gold ornaments. I actually don't know where they're from, so that's why I didn't show them. Next up are these really pretty ribbons that I got off of Michael's. One is a textured white sparkly one, and then this translucent mauvey pink. They're so beautiful. I really had fun doing this part because I got to really play with the Christmas tree and really fill in the rest of those little gaps. I cut each ribbon about 5 to 6 inches long, and then I kind of just tucked them into the tree. There was really no secret to it. Decorating my Christmas tree was definitely so much fun. It took me a long time though. I think I spent all of my Sunday decorating this tree, but it was really fun because I got to be hands-on, like this pretty pearl ornament that I made. It was just a simple silver ornament and I decorated them. I did 3 of sparkly ones like this and then 3 pearl ones. They came in a big box that I got from Michael's, and I just used a hot glue gun and I got to work. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to keep showing you guys more videos like this. This was really fun to film, so I hope that you guys enjoy it and that I can keep putting out content like this. As always, all of the decor that I used in this video will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.